Welcome back to Arya the Rescue Dog. Fireworks season is coming up, and if your dog is like Arya, the loud noises can be really unsettling. Today we'll go over some effective ways to desensitize your dog to fireworks so they can stay calm and relaxed. Fireworks can be overwhelming for dogs because of the loud, unpredictable noises and flashing lights. Dogs have very sensitive hearing, so it's no surprise that these sounds can make them anxious. But with a few gradual steps, we can help them feel more secure. I remember the first year Arya came to us, that was in October. So it was just before the holiday season started with, Halloween, Guy Fawkes, all those kinds of things. So she'd only been with us a couple of weeks before we had the first lot of fireworks. And honestly, she was so terrified. She was shaking and her little heart was pounding and she was hiding in the bathroom. It was actually quite scary for all of us. After that happened, I did some research and we've been trying to desensitize Arya slowly, and she's better than she was. She's still not 100%. She still gets quite scared when there's a lot of fireworks, but she's not too bad when there's just a few. So we'll continue doing this, but I thought now would be a good time of the year to share what I've learned so far with you guys. There's the obvious common sense things that you can do. Close the windows and doors and drapes to keep the sound and the flashing lights to a minimum. Play your TV or music in the background. And act normally and as calmly as you can, because our pets pick up on our reactions and how we're feeling as well. For the next part of the video, I'll be showing you 3 days of desensitization with Arya. There'll be a few tips at the beginning of each section, and there'll be fireworks sounds in the background, which I'm going to increase a little bit each day. The first step is to expose your dog to fireworks sounds at a very low volume. So I've got the volume on very low here. You can probably not even hear it. And as you can see, Ari is looking very relaxed. Keep your sessions short, just a few minutes at a time, and repeat a few times a week. Okay, so we've increased the volume a little, and as you can see, Ari is still feeling quite relaxed. She's doing okay. When you're desensitizing your dog to any experience, make sure they have a safe space. A safe space can be really comfortable for your dog. Set up a quiet area where they can retreat with their favorite blanket or toy. It can be a bed or their crate, just somewhere where they feel safe. I'll keep the fireworks sounds at this volume for a couple of minutes until we get to the next section. Gentle. Good girl. I've turned the volume up a little bit again, and she's still quite happy. We're having some treats, and she seems to be doing well. Some dogs benefit from calming aids like weighted vests or natural supplements. This can take the edge off the anxiety. It's best to consult with your vet before trying anything new though. Arya hasn't needed these yet, but they can be very helpful. You're a good girl, aren't you? Good girl. You're nice and relaxed, aren't you? I've increased the volume a little bit again. We're getting around the stage now where Arya starts to get a little uncomfortable with the noise, so we'll see how she goes. I'll keep this volume for a couple of minutes. Desensitizing your dog to fireworks takes time and patience, but it's well worth it when you see them staying calm and relaxed. Remember, every dog is different, so go at your dog's pace
Arya.
and make it a positive experience. For example, I can see here that Arya, although she's calm, she's starting to get a little uncomfortable. Her head is down, she's leaning up against my foot, so it's time to end the session. If you've enjoyed the video, press like, and we always appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. I hope you've enjoyed the video and got something out of it. Thanks for watching and good luck this fireworks season. Bye for now.